In this video tutorial, we are creating a website, which we are looking right here. We will make it using the Wix website creator. Wix is the simplest and quickest way to design a good-looking website. Has multiple options to get more modern and professional designs that anyone can use, which means that previous technical knowledge on programming and design won't be necessary. Below this video, we'll leave you the direct link in order to begin designing your website, so you can try Wix by yourselves. First, we'll click on Get Started, and we'll register adding our email and password. We'll click on Skip to go directly to design our webpage with the editor. We are selecting the option of the Wix editor because it comes with more and better opportunities to personalize the website. As we can see, there are templates for every occasion that we can choose. Business, online store, that we have a tutorial that we can find below, restaurant's website, travel agency, etc. For this example, we will learn from zero, choosing the white template that you can use for any type of project or business. A white template has been created. Its structure is divided into three. On the upper side, there's the header. In the middle, the content of the site, and footer at the bottom. On the left, we find the Wix editor menu, which we will get to know along designing our website. First, we are going to integrate the logo. We go to the Add menu, select Images, and after that, My Uploads. In the headline zone, we will load the images of our logo we previously designed with the Wix logo creator. On Tools, we are going to activate the grid to locate the elements of our website correctly. In the headline, we include a provisional menu that we are going to use. First, we're going to create the pages. We click on Menu and Pages, and we will add the names of the sections that we are going to use. Now we go to the Add button and select a menu. We will adjust the size of the menu, and we are customizing the colors of the states of hover and click it. Here we can add the color we want. In this case, we will use the one from our logo. In this part, we can modify the size and the font of the menu. In the background menu, we can establish an image or a video for the back of the website. For this example, we will use the default white background. Now, at the beginning of the content, we will add a pre-designed stripe, making click on it, which we are customizing. We will change the image for one that is related to our project or business. If we do not have our own images, we can search high-quality images right here. If we click on Adjust, we will have the chance to edit photos. We can adjust the brightness, contrast, exposition, apply effects, among other things. Now we are changing the color of this square, from beige to black. We will also change the font, the size, and color. Now we will add a button with the caption Request Quote. There are many buttons designs that we can customize. Later, we will give the button the instruction to direct it to the quote section when you click on it. Now we are adding a space to present the service section. For this, we press this button and stretch down to create space. We are going to include the title Services, adding headline text too. We are changing the size and the font. Now we will add 3 images to present each one of the services. We are going to align them with the help of the rulers. Now we are adding some text on headline 5 to establish the title of each service. we edit the text and align them. Next, we are adding a stripe to make a little presentation of the company. To this column, we are changing the color. Lastly, we are editing and aligning the text. Now we are going to create a project section. First, we are adding a title. Now we will add a gallery of images to present projects. We will choose this gallery that includes text to describe each image. We will adjust the size, stretching it on the corners. In this part, we can configure aspects of the gallery, such as the number of columns, the space between photos, size, etc. Now we are going to substitute images. We are modifying the text of the first image and its description. Now we will have a preview of the website to see how it looks. Next, we are adding a stripe that includes a contact form. We are going to edit the color and text. We can add the address or any text that we want. Message that people send can be viewed through the Wix control panel or can be resent to an email. Now, we are adding a product to which we will include a PayPal button if we want to sell online a single product in a simple way. We will add the product image, the title, description, and price. In this section, we can add the PayPal button to receive online payments. Here, we will include our PayPal account email. This is a basic alternative to sell online. If you count with many products, the best is to install the online store app. Now we are going to edit the footer. We will change the color. We will include a text. Also, we will add social media buttons. Here we can include our links to our social media profiles. Since we have done all sections of our website, we are linking them to the menu through anchors. Anchors are useful to indicate to which part of the website we have to direct to when clicking. We are adding an anchor for each section. Now we are adding anchors to our menu. First, we delete provisional pages that we created at the beginning. We link each one of these anchors that we created. We are also linking the Request Quote button. We will have a preview to see how is our menu working. Now we will modify the header settings to freeze the menu. We will get a white background so that it can be distinguished with clarity. Lastly, we are adding a Lightbox pop-up that will appear after a few seconds on the website. We will add an image. We will edit the text and the link button. In this button, we can establish the seconds that must pass so that the window appears when a user is navigating through the site. Now we're going to watch the mobile version of our website. As we can see, the mobile version is a bit messy. We are modifying some elements manually. We hide some elements and edit a few texts. On mobile tools, we add a quick action bar. It's a very useful tool that allows visitors to communicate immediately with one touch. Now in the website preview, we can see that a mobile version looks better. Finally, we can see the desktop version preview. As we have seen, Wix makes it really easy to create and design a web page for a company or any online project. Its editor is very friendly and counts with many functions to enrich a website. From the control panel, you can manage all aspects of the website, such as connecting a customized domain, adding an email, using marketing tools, optimizing the website for Google, among other things. And that's it! We hope this video tutorial works for your future projects. If you have any doubts or questions, you can leave them in the comment space. Until the next time!